I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Webull website. First, you'll need to create your account, which is a straightforward process online. Once registered, funding your account is simple, with several convenient options available. Then, familiarize yourself with the intuitive layout to easily locate essential features like your dashboard and market data. This initial setup ensures you are ready to explore all Webull has to offer. After setting up, dive into Webull's core features. You can create custom watch lists to keep a close eye on stocks you are interested in, making market tracking effortless. Access comprehensive stock quotes and in-depth company information to inform your decisions. When you are ready, placing simple buy and sell orders is intuitive, allowing you to execute trades with confidence and ease. Webull offers more than just basic trading. Explore powerful charting tools that provide in-depth technical analysis capabilities, helping you understand market trends. Connect with the vibrant Webull community to share insights, discuss strategies, and learn from other investors. Additionally, set up customized alerts to receive timely notifications about price changes or news, ensuring you never miss a crucial market event. Managing your Webull account is straightforward. Regularly review your portfolio's performance and transaction history to track your progress and understand your investments. Should you have any questions or encounter issues, Webull's customer support is readily available to assist you. Remember to check the description below for a link to some great deals, including those darn tough socks. We hope this guide helps you confidently navigate the Webull website.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.